Michael and I'm from MicroKnowledge. I'm here today to show you some technology tips on how to use Excel.
Hello, and thanks for joining us. You may already be familiar with Microsoft Excel and comfortable with using the ribbon and finding the different pieces of the ribbon that you're looking for. But did you know that you can customize the appearance of how Excel looks? We can do this by going to the Backstage view, and we get there by clicking on File tab, and then we can head over to the Account options. Notice here that we have two different choices. We have Office Background, which will allow us to modify this little appearance up here, a little bit of flair. We do have choices that we can scroll down through. You can see that you can apply them. They add no extra functions or functionality to Excel, but it does add a little bit of additional appearance to make things look nicer. Now the Office theme, this is several different choices. We're currently in the colorful theme. We also have the option for dark gray. Dark gray looks like this. You can see that we've got the dark gray ribbon. We also have the option of going with a black color. And again, it's not changing the functionality, but you can see that it's completely changing the appearance of how this looks. I particularly like this one. I think it adds a whole lot more depth, and it's a little easier on the eyes if you're working for long periods of time. Lastly, we have the option for plain white, which looks very much like the colorful option, which is very much the default setting. And that is changing and customizing your appearance of Excel in Microsoft Excel.
I hope you enjoyed this tip. Please leave us a comment and join us on all our social media channels.